So we're out here at a park right near my house, and today we're going to do a little bit of plein air painting. We didn't want to go too far, and there's limited subject matter or points of interest in some of the parks. And in this one, the only thing really here is the swing set or the little playground area. So let's just relax, have a good time, paint, and enjoy the day. Now let's get out our brushes. We're using the small Mijello palette that I created to take to Italy for plein air. Okay, so I have my paper all taped and we're ready to draw, and then we'll get painting. Try to make a decent composition here. Use some leading lines and a foreground element. I start with the background wash and in some places paint in the negative spaces. Obviously, I'm not cutting into the swing set. That would be ridiculous. I'm identifying the dark shadows of the foliage. Pulling some sky down onto the subject. And blotting some clouds. Bring some earthy browns up into the greener areas. Cutting out the walkway with the foreground grasses. And there's some of this green up here in the background too. Give all this green some love and dimension and some varying hues. We are back in the studio and we're going to use this reference photo to finish the painting. Sorry for the gap in the process. My phone turned itself off. I had obviously laid in some of the browns in the tree on the left and started the tree on the right, as well as putting in the foundation of the slide. Gotta be really careful cutting into these struts. Yay, finally laying in the swing set. Okay, let's define this slide a little better. Oh, we need seats. Let's try to ground these structures to each other and to the earth, obviously. I do a little shadow work on this dirt over here and add some stairs for the kids to get up because they can't fly. Whoop, that's not right. Yep, there we go. That's better. All right, a couple of finishing touches here. I showed up at the park and thought, wow, there's really not much here to paint. I guess I'll just paint this simple jungle gym. Turns out this ended up being very dynamic, fun to do, and really quite challenging. I hope this inspires you to do plein air, because it shows us that it doesn't have to be some grand scene to be worth doing. Thanks for joining us at Why Paint Pastels. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you back here on the first Friday of every month. Alright guys, check out my website and use the links below to buy any art supplies you might need. Most importantly, keep doing art.